Direct Line Car Insurance UK app. The pros, the cons. The Direct Line Car Insurance UK app is more than just a digital card. It's a full-service tool for policyholders, but most people get this wrong if they assume it's only for emergencies. The app allows you to manage policies, report claims, and stay updated on coverage from anywhere. On the pros side, you can view and manage your policy, pay premiums, and access digital documents. Claims can be filed with photo uploads, and progress can be tracked in real time. The app also provides roadside assistance requests and notifications for policy changes. Users appreciate its intuitive interface, fast load times, and easy navigation. On the cons side, some users experience occasional glitches or delays during claim submission. Advanced analytics, like personalized premium recommendations, are limited. Offline functionality is minimal, which can be inconvenient in areas with poor connectivity. In conclusion, the Direct Line Car Insurance UK app provides convenience, real-time claim tracking, and easy access to policy details. While advanced features are limited, it's a reliable and user-friendly tool for UK drivers seeking a mobile-first insurance experience.